That's me flying into your computer or mobile device screen to annoy the living heck out of you. Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. So if you're new, be sure to like and subscribe if you like and want to subscribe to this channel. If you don't, dislike it because then you won't see me again. If you're coming back, hello, pal. Or pals, but there's a whole group of you. I appreciate it. Hey, I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Reshoevn8r. You know, people always ask me, hey SB Mitch, or just hey Mitchell. I'm just getting into cleaning shoes. I want to keep my shoes clean. What's the best kit to start off with? Me personally, I always suggest for people to buy the Essential Cleaning Kit. Now, the Essential Cleaning Kit is pretty much as necessary and basic as you get. It comes with 5 things. You got your number 1, your Reshoevn8r branded microfiber towel. You get the 3 brush system. There's a soft bristle brush, ideal for suede and knit materials. There's the medium bristle brush, ideal for leather. And then there's the stiff bristle brush, ideal for outsoles and non-painted midsoles. And it also comes with a 4-ounce bottle of the Reshoevn8r cleaning solution. You can see mine's about halfway gone. I clean multiple shoes per week, and I've had this for about a month and a half. This stuff lasts. The nice thing about that kit is, number 1, the brushes are awesome. That's the one thing that I think is the most important when it comes to cleaning your shoes, is to have good brushes. And these brushes are, in my opinion, the best on the market. And on top of that, the kit itself is only 35 bucks. So it's a pretty awesome deal. So if you're interested in the Essential Cleaning Kit or any of the other phenomenal Reshoevn8r cleaning products, go down below into the video description, find my referral link, and visit Reshoevn8r's website, or you can just go to reshoevn8r.com. And remember, like I just said, they have free shipping and also they have free returns, so you can buy with confidence. Reshoevn8r. I don't know what their motto is. We got the good stuff. I don't think that's their motto, but hey, stuff is good. Today's video, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. Like, actually, a lot bit different. And it took me a minute to like kind of figure out how to like integrate this with Nike SB stuff, because this is pretty much a Nike SB channel, or a beater box unboxing channel, or just an annoying channel. They're Medicom 100% Rbricks. Now, why is SB Mitch unboxing toys on his channel, especially after all I do is make fun of Funkos? Metacom has done a bunch of like dunk lows and like other collaborations with Nike. Hold on, there's the Metacom 1, the Metacom 2, nice denim, the Metacom 3, this is actually all 3M, and the insanely rare Metacom 4, which is all patent leather, I believe. There's the Metacom collaboration with Nike SB on the 3 Bears, Dunk Low, Dunk High, and Dunk Mid pack from the purple box era, or black box era, whatever you call it. A couple of years ago, they had a couple releases. They did like kind of a retro of the Metacom 2 on a Dunk Low Elite with a thin tongue, which is like a super awesome performance skating shoe. And they also had the Metacom 1 retro in a Dunk High Elite, which has like a little sock thing that goes over your ankle, which is kind of weird, but it's still a cool looking shoe. And they also have this upcoming collaboration that is all horsehair or pony hair or something. I don't really like the collaboration, but Metacom and Nike SB are definitely buddies. And I do have some Metacom stuff myself, so I figure why not just show it off real quick. The most recent Metacom thing I got was this. It's a 400 and a 100. It's the Atmos Tiger Camo Staple Pigeon collaboration. This is the Nike SB collaboration with Metacom on a Rbrick 400 and 100. This is the one they released with the Dunk High Elite. This is the one that came out with the Metacom Dunk Low Elite. There's the 400 and the 100. Very cool. Got some Nike SB branding on the back there too. My 400 broke, but I have the 100 still. This is the Atmos collaboration with Staple Pigeon as well. I still have my 100 because I think it's pretty cool. And then I have this weird one that came with my ComplexCon bundle when I went to ComplexCon in LA in 2018. It's a ComplexCon exclusive Rbrick 100. Pretty cool. So I actually ordered 8 boxes. They're mystery blind boxes from the Metacom Series 38. I'm not huge into like doing toy unboxings or even just toys in general, but they were like $2.50 each, and I'm like, this could be fun. Why not? Apparently every series has like some kind of like theme stuff with it. They come in these little tiny boxes. So we got 8 of them here. You can see the box. It says Series 38. Got a little bear thing on top of it. I know there's like 15 billion videos of other people opening these, but whatever. Running out of ideas, leave me alone. All right, so there's something here that's wrapped up. I don't know what this is. I think it might be like the card that comes with it, maybe. Okay, so here's one of them. It says MIB International. So this might be one of the Men in Black little guys. It is! Look at that. It's a little bear brick of Chris Hemsworth from the movie Men in Black, which came out, I don't know when it came out. I didn't see it. Let's do another one. This would be a lot better if I had a table. Why am I'm so bad at doing videos. I don't know who this is, but it's some kind of wrestler guy, which is kind of weird, kind of cool too. There's that. They all do come with this like little info card, which is kind of cool, but I don't have it. Okay, cool. So so this is like, this dude's from Where's Waldo, but he's kind of like Waldo's Wario. I forget what his name is. It's like Waldo backwards, so it would be Outlaw, I guess. Pretty neat looking dude. He looks kind of like those throwback Steelers uniforms. On every box, it does have like the series of like everything that's here. It shows you like odds of finding stuff. I would like a Joker, that'd be pretty cool. We got one of the cartoon characters. Don't know what this is, what this guy is, but he's got a lot of big little snot thing coming from his nose, so that's pretty disgusting. And we got our first double. It's the same one as the last one. We're only getting 8 of them. That's pretty surprising to get a double. Hey, we got the basic one. This one's actually really cool because it's very minimalistic, but it's just red and white with a dot. This is very cool. I really like this one itself. So they have like a basic, they have a cartoon, they have, what else is there? Good thing I can edit these videos because there's a lot of dead space in between me and opening these. Got another basic. Very cool. I really like this one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the last one. Let's hope for a Joker. That would be pretty cool. Or something cool. I wouldn't mind. They have an ASSC one in here too. So an Antisocial Social Club one would be pretty neat to get, but doesn't look like we're going to get that. What's his last one? Something cool. Something cool. Oh, wow. We got a third of the Snot Kid one. So, okay. I mean, that's basically what happens with mystery things. The ones that I'm not going to be keeping, I'm going to be throwing randomly into spmitch.com orders. So if you order something, you might be getting a bear brick just for the heck of it. I know this is a sneaker channel and opening toys is kind of a weird thing to do, but hey, whatever. Hey, thanks to Rejuvenators for sponsoring this video. Remember to go into the video description and find my referral link if you're interested in buying any of Rejuvenators' great products to keep your sneakers clean or clean them up if they're dirty. I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. This was definitely a different video and I don't know, whatever. Beater Box Friday this Friday. The box is weird. I'm just going to say the box is weird. Until then, take care of each other and remember to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. And why not make toys fun too, if that's your thing. Bye.